Hey everybody, welcome to TechSpace, and in this video I want to show you how to actually fix the problem where CSGO will not load up or any other game on Steam will not load. So you're getting an error and it's popping up right here when you click play game and it's not working. So what you're going to want to do is on Steam, go to Steam up here and check for client updates. Once you do that, it'll say client is already up to date or it'll download the updates necessary. Next you want to go to Steam again, go to check for video driver updates, and that'll take you automatically to the driver download page. So next thing that we could do, if that doesn't work, try downloading those drivers, updating your drivers, see if that works. If it does not work, what you're going to want to do is go to CSGO, go to properties, go to set launch options, and make sure you have this right here. So you want -sign HIGH or -sign high, which will just set it to high priority, so when your task manager runs it, it will high prioritize the program. Click OK and close this out and try running CSGO again, and it should work. So if this isn't working for you and you're having a different issue, I suggest just turning off your computer, exiting out of Steam, make sure it's gone from down here. Just right click it and click exit. Make sure you're exited out all the way, sign back in, and try it again, and go through these steps again if it's still not working. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.